everybody. Well, today I'm going to talk a little bit about something kind of different than what you're used to me talking about. And as you know, I talk a lot about skincare. That's what I'm kind of known for. You know, the health of your skin, the look of your skin, all of those things. But kind of a sister and companion subject that goes along with skincare is product use, and that is makeup, skincare products, acne products. It's a really large range. And so there are a lot of experts in a lot of areas. And today I want to talk about an expert whose name is Wayne Goss, who is a makeup artist expert who has 3.5 and ever growing subscribers on YouTube. So he's pretty famous out there, YouTube famous, but also offline famous. And he is somebody who I send my own clients to on certain topics that have to do with, you know, makeup use and how to cover acne scars. I learned some tips myself from him, which I have some videos on here that I've done. So a lot of good information on his channel. But what I noticed in sending my clients to him and some of the feedback that I see from his own clients is that there are 5 particular things about Wayne Goss, 5 amazing tips or things about him that his own 3.5 million fans, plus my clients, often miss. So I wanted to share those with you today, since it is someone who I send clients to and that I look up to when it comes to makeup artistry and also skincare issues for a lot of people. So the first thing that a lot of people don't know, besides the fact that he has 3.5 million fans, is that he reviews products just like I do and does not take endorsements for that. So he doesn't get paid often for the products that he endorses. So I think that's really great, because I think it's important for many of us who have some sort of expertise out there that helps people to come across and to be free and fair with some of the products that we test out. It's all right to get paid to endorse something. There's nothing wrong with that, but I think that it's great that he does the same thing I do, and that is does reviews on products that we don't get paid for, so that you feel like you're getting a fair and very balanced and very realistic review on a product, whether it will work for you or not. So that's great. And this is also great because he's a makeup artist who reviews skincare products. I think that's absolutely fabulous, because to me, it's the canvas. I'm all about the canvas before the makeup goes on, and he's about what to do with the canvas, so it's really great. The second thing you may not know, and most fans miss, is that he is an acne sufferer just like I was. Very sensitive skin, sensitive acne, and I've watched several of his videos where he tried out many different things to try to combat that. And so I wish back then he had had my book and I could have helped him out with that. But one of the things that people don't realize is that anything that he is telling you about to use, that he is using, is good for sensitive skin, because he has to use those same kind of products as he talks about in his many videos. So I think there's a real level of trust as to what type of products that he promotes and has created in his own line, just like his brushes that are all very safe to use and hypoallergenic for skin, for people with sensitive skin and skin problems. So that's the second thing most of his fans probably miss. The third thing that I think is really important is that he teaches people how to apply makeup without over application. So I've seen he spent a lot of time the last couple of years, because of the Instagram craze, and teaching people how to use products, and I'm in total agreement. Please, no Instagram brows, they're terrible. But anyway, they may look great on camera. So in real life, they look really terrible. So I think that's really great. So he teaches you how to apply without over application. And I think a lot of clients miss out on that, because of all the videos are so specific, that one of the broad swaths of the tips that he gives, the amazing tips, is not to over apply makeup. The fourth thing is to start from the middle out. And I teach this about skincare products when you're applying them to your face, and he teaches the same thing for makeup, that I think a lot of people miss, that is a way to use for skincare products and makeup both, is to start in the middle around the nose area, the T-zone, and work your way out from the middle of the face to the edges of the face. So I think that's a really big tip that he gives that gets totally missed by my clients and totally missed by his fans. And the fifth thing that I think that Wayne Goss does amazing is talk about concealer and how to use it. In my line of work, I come across a lot of clients that have acne scarring. That's a big problem. And there are only so many things you can do. There's only so far down you can peel the skin, dermabrase the skin, laser the skin to get rid of pock marks and scars. And he does a really great job about talking about how to use concealer for makeup, for aging, for hooded eye, for bags under the eyes, and also for acne scarring. And so I have some videos myself on how to cover acne scarring and large pores, which are based, in fact, on some of the tips that he has been teaching. So I think those are the 5 amazing things and tips about Wayne Goss that most of you miss. So do me a favor, go check out his channel, and if you have skin issues or makeup issues, he's got a lot of great content. And if you have some time, please check around my channel. I have like cooking segments and health and wellness. I'm about skincare, but I also am about weight loss and physical fitness and lifestyle. So dig around my channel too, and if you would be so kind just to subscribe, that would be great. But really this video is about him and about my clients visiting him and about his fans and what the things are that I think that you miss. So go check him out, and we will talk soon.
Thank you.